I welcome everyone. Information and analytical service is in touch GURU.Markets. Thank you so much for helping us. All links can be found in the description of this video. Dear viewer, we kindly ask you to give this video a royal thumbs up in advance. Your like is essential for the development of the project GURU.Markets. Now we will compare the current performance of the company McDonald's Corp, ticker MCD. This review was made using current data as of June 9, 2024. By classification GURU.Markets Corporation McDonald's Corp belongs to the subcategory Public Catering. 55 companies participate in the analysis, and this is very representative. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, you can pause the video. We invite you to consider all the parameters of the organization more carefully. You can view the table with the classification of company tickers using the link in the pinned comment. Please give the link to the security analysis to your friends. Well, friends, let's begin. Market capitalization of the corporation McDonald's Corp is $184.73 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $623 billion. McDonald's Corporation, MCD, accounts for a share of 29.674%. This is one of the leaders in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $38 billion. McDonald's Corp accounts for 0% share. Having made a comparison of market shares and book value, we see the following. Occupied share McDonald's Corporation, MCD, in the subcategory when assessing the exchange value is 29.674%. Balance sheet capitalization is 0%. This is 100% less than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Total company assessment McDonald's Corporation, MCD, will be presented at the end of the video. Please review the progress of the study in full. The company has no financial obligations. Result on the company's debts. Very good, 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 21.8. The average for the subcategory is 25.9, and this is 16% lower than the average for the subcategory. Assessment of the market price to its profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $8,596 million. Forward earnings for the coming 12 months are expected to be $9,563 million. And this is 11.3% more than at the current moment. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 7.2. The subcategory average of 2.1 is 243% higher than the subcategory average. An assessment of the company's stock price to revenue indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $25,760 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $28,670 million. 11% more than now. Assessment of expected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. If you are interested in our analytics, then we kindly ask you to subscribe to us and click on the bell. It's free for you. You will help the development of this channel to the fullest. Many thanks for your subscription. The sales margin is 33.4%, with an average in the subcategory of 7.9%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 25.4%. Profitability assessment in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of subcategory personnel is 6.174%. This is 381% less than the share of market capitalization. And this fact reflects the imbalance of the company's current market price. McDonald's Corp, most likely towards revaluation. The amount of market capital for each employee of the company is $1,232,000. Whereas for the subcategory it is $256,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 381.3%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $57,300. With the average in the subcategory, $9,900. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 479%. Estimated profit per individual employee compared to subcategory performance. Good, 0.5 points. The share of revenue per individual employee of the company is $172,000. By subcategory $125,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 38%. Estimation of revenue per individual company employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions was 1.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 6.4%. This is an assessment of the possible risk of a short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 39% for the company McDonald's Corporation, MCD. Whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 44%. Technically, the shares of the subcategory are valued approximately the same as the shares of the company McDonald's Corporation, MCD. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price McDonald's Corp and subcategory companies. We see that over the past 12 months the company's shares McDonald's Corp showed a change of -9.1%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory -4.5%. This does not say anything definitively, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Overall result: 0 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 0.7 points. If you look broadly, within the entire US market in aggregate, we can note that the average result for the entire US stock market as a whole is 0.4 points. Against a 0-point rating for the company McDonald's Corp. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all previously made decisions by the stock valuation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. as a result of the valuation of the company's securities. McDonald's Corp. Information and Reference System GURU.Markets. The following decision is made. Do not open a deal due to the fact that McDonald's Corporation, MCD, not the most undervalued company in the subcategory. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information system GURU.Markets. You truly are the most excellent audience in the entire world.